Hi everyone. We have question number 2 of exercise 17. In here, the question asks us to express each number correct to 4 significant figures, 3 significant figures, and 1 significant figures. So 12 different numbers are given to us in this question, and each question is to be expressed in 4, 3, and 1 significant figure. So before we take a start, we have to understand what is meant by significant figure. We can define a significant figure to be digits or digits that carry meaning and contribute to precision. We have certain rules based on which we can categorize a number as significant or otherwise. So the very first rule is that all non-zero digits are always significant. For example, 1, 2, 3 are 3 significant figures. 1 is the first significant figure, 2 is the second significant figure, and 3 is the third significant figure. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. In here, 1 is the first significant figure, this 0 is the second, this is the third significant figure, fourth significant figure, and fifth significant figure. So when a 0 comes between non-zero numbers, they are also significant figures. Leading zeros before the first non-zero digits are not significant. So in here, as you can see, 0.000765, the first non-zero number is 7. The rest of the zeros that is before 7 are all not significant. So the first significant figure is 7, second significant figure is 6, and third significant figure is 5. Trailing zeros after a decimal point are significant. For example, 320.00. So in here, first significant figure, second, third, fourth, fifth. When we are having zeros after the decimal, they're also considered to be or categorized as significant figures. Trailing zeros in a word, in a whole number without a decimal point are not significant. Just in here, for example, we do not have any decimal and we are having zeros at the end of a whole number. So in this case, this 0 is not a significant figure. We have 3 significant figure in these digits, 4 being the first, 5 being the second, and 1 being the third significant figure. 0 is not considered to be a significant figure. Apart from that, when we are expressing a number, a digit, into a particular significant figure as asked in this question, we have certain rounding rules as well. So these rules are, we look at the digit after the last significant figure that we want. If it's 5 or more, we round it up. If it's less than 5, we keep it the same. Now that we know about it all, we will take a start with our first digit, that is 4512. If we express it in 4 significant figures, so as you can see, 4 is first significant figure, 5 is second, 1 is third, 2 is fourth. So it's already in 4 significant figure. All figures are significant and it's already in 4 significant figures form. Therefore, we will keep it as it is. Now for 3 significant figure, so this is the first, second, and third. We are keeping these 3. The fourth one is 2. So 2 is less than 5. Therefore, 1 will remain the same. We will not round it up. And this 2 will be replaced by 0. So now we have expressed 4512 as 3 significant figures. If we express the same number in 1 significant figure, so we are keeping this 4 only, right? So we will look at the next figure, that is 5. So since it's equal to 5, the number that we are keeping, it will round up, it will become 5. The rest of the numbers, that is 5, 1, they will be replaced by 0. So this digit 4512 will be expressed as one significant figure as 5,000. The second one is 12,305. So if we express it as four significant figure, this is the first significant figure, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. This is the fifth one, so fifth one is equal to 5. Therefore, the fourth significant figure will be rounded up to one number. So it would become 12,310. In here, this 5 is replaced by 0 because we want four significant figure. Therefore, 5 is replaced by 0 and 0 is rounded up to 1. If we express this up to three significant figures, so this is the first significant figure, this is the second, and this is the third. We look at the four significant figure, it is 1 that is less than 5, therefore 3 will remain the same, we will not round it up. So, and this 1 will be replaced by a 0. So we will have this number expressed in three significant figures as 12,300. If we express the same number as one significant figure, so in here this is the first significant figure, this is the second, and this is the third. So this we are only keeping or expressing the first one. So the second one will be checked if it is less than 5, as is the case in here. So we are not going to round it up, therefore it will remain the same. 2 and 3 will be replaced by 0, and this way we get 10,000. Next question or next digit is 65,238. So first significant figure, second, third, fourth, fifth. We have 5 significant figures, and in here we are keeping the first 4. So for rounding up, we check the fifth significant figure that is greater than 5. Therefore, we will round up the fourth significant figure. So this way, this is 8. So when we round up this 3, it will become 4. Therefore, and 8 will be replaced by 0. So it will become 65240. If we express this in three significant figures, so it would be see, this is first significant figure, this is second, and this is third. Fourth is 4, that is less than 5. Therefore 2 will not be rounded up, it will remain the same. And when expressed in three significant figures, it will be 6, 5, 2. 4 will be replaced by 0, and the 0 that we had from before, it will be expressed the same. So 65,200 it will be. If we express this number as one significant figure, so we are considering this, we will keep this number and we check the number next to it, which is 5, equal to 5. So therefore we will round up 6, so it will become 7. The rest of the numbers that we have, since we have to express it up to one significant figure only, therefore the rest will be replaced by 0. So we have 70,000. Next we have 320.55. So up to 4 significant figure. In here, this is first significant figure, this is second, this is third, fourth, and fifth. So we consider the first 4, we check the fifth. 5 is equal to 5. Therefore the fourth significant figure will be rounded up, that is after the decimal. So it will become 320.6 as mentioned in here. If we express this number as three significant figures, so in here 3 is the first significant figure, 2 is the second, and 0 is the third significant figure. Since the fourth significant figure is greater than 5, therefore the third significant figure will round up by one number. So in here we will get 3, 2, 1. If we express this number as first in one significant figure, so it would be 3 only. We keep the 3, we check the number next to it, it is 2, less than 5, therefore 3 will not be rounded up. So we will write this 3, and the 2 and 1 would be replaced by 0 because we are expressing it up to one significant figure only. Fifth one is the digit is 25.716. If we express it to 4 significant figure, this is the first significant figure, second, third, and fourth. So we keep the first 4, we check the fifth one. This is 6. It means that the fourth significant figure will be rounded up to by one number. So it will be 25.72. If we express this number as 3 significant figures, so it will be 25.7. The fourth significant figure is less than 5, therefore 7 will remain the same. When you express it as 3 significant figure, it will be 25.7. If we express this number as 1 significant figure, so it would be in here 1 significant figure. This is the first significant figure. So we check the next number, that is 5, equal to 5 as per the rules of rounding up. Therefore, this number will round up to one number. It will become 3, and the numbers after it, that is 5 in here, it will be replaced by 0. So we have up to first significant figure, we get 30. Next is 0.000765. So this is the first significant figure, this is the second, and this is the third. So we are having only 3 figures in this number, significant figures. In order to express it as 4 significant figures, we write a 0 or add a 0 at the end of this number to make it 4 significant figures. I hope remember, as per the rules, that a number leading by 0, these are not significant figures. If we express this number as 3 significant figures, so it would be the same, 0.000765, because we have 3 significant figures in this digit. If we express it in one significant figure, so in here the first significant figure is 7, so we are keeping this 7. We will check the next number, that is 6. So 6 is greater than 5, therefore the first significant figure will be rounded up by one number, so it will become 0.008. Then we come to the next number, that is 1.0087. So this is the first significant figure, second, third, fourth, and fifth. We keep the first 4, we check the fifth significant figure, it is 7, greater than 5, therefore the fourth significant figure will be rounded up by one number, and therefore it will become 1.009. If we express this number as 3 significant figures, so it will become 1.01. In here, this is first significant figure, this is second, and this is third. We keep these 3 and check the fourth one, which is 9. So when we round it up, this increases. This becomes 10. So 10 remains in here, and 1 is carried to this number, to this digit. So therefore it becomes 1.01. Because in here it's 9, so 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 0 remains here, and this 1 is carried to the digit in here, and it becomes 1. So it is expressed as 1.01 when in 3 significant figures. And if we are expressing this number as 1 significant figure, so we are keeping this, and the second significant figure is 0, that is less than 5, therefore we will not be rounding up 1, it would be 1 as it is. 8th digit is 7.34876. So 4 significant figure, if we express it, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So we will be checking the fifth one because we are keeping up to fourth significant figure. It is greater than 5, so this will be rounded up to one number. It will become 7.349. Then 3 significant figures. This is first, this is second, this is third, and in here this 9 will become 0. Um, if we express this number as as one significant figure, so it would be 7. We check the second significant figure, it is less than 5, so therefore it will the 7 will not be rounded up, it will remain the same as it is. Next we have 0.00998. So the first significant figure is this 9, second is this second significant figure is the second 9, and third significant figure is 8. So we have to express it as 4 significant figure, therefore we will add a 0 at the end of this number. If we express this as 3 significant figures, so we already have it as 3 significant figure. This is the first one, this is second, and this is the third one. And if we express this as 1 significant figure, it would be 0.01. How so? So this is the number that we are keeping, and this is the number that we are checking for roundup. So it is 9, it is greater than 5, therefore this number will be rounded up by one number, and this 9 will become 10. So 0 will remain here and 1 will be carried to here. Therefore, when expressing it in one significant figure, it will be 0.01. 0.02814 is first significant, second, third, and fourth significant figure. So it is already in 4 significant figures form, so we will keep it as it is. Third significant form, so this is first, second, and third. We look at the fourth significant figure, which is less than 5, therefore 1 will remain the same, we will not round up. As you can see in here, so it will be something like this 4 will be replaced by 0. One significant figure, so in here this is the first significant figure, we are keeping it. We will look into the next one for a rounding up. It is 8 greater than 5, therefore 2 will be rounded up by one number, it will become 3. The rest of them you can say it is, since it's after the decimal, therefore we usually do not add up zeros, so it will become 0.03. Or in order to make it a little bit more clear, it will be something like this. K is 31.0077, so first significant figure, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So we are keeping the first 4, we check the fifth one for round up, so it is 7 greater than 5, therefore this will be rounded up by one number, it will become 31.01. If we express it up to 3 significant figures, it would be 31.0. So first significant figure, second, and this is third. The fourth one is less than 5, therefore 0 will remain the same, there will be no rounding up. If we express it as one significant figure, so this is the first significant figure, we are keeping this one. The second one is less than 5 as it is 1, so there will be no roundup taking place. 3 will be written as it is, and this one will be replaced by 0. So we get 30. The last is 0.0064735. First significant figure, second, third, fourth, fifth. So in here the fifth significant figure is 5, equal to 5, so the fourth significant figure will be rounded up by one number, therefore it will become 6474, 0.006474. If we express this number as 3 significant figures, so first significant figure, second, and third, the fourth one is less than 5, therefore no roundup will take place, and you will have the number as 0.00647. And if we express this in one significant figure, this is the first significant figure, so it means we will be keeping this. 4 is less than 5, therefore no roundup will take place. Therefore when this number is expressed as one significant figure, it will be 0.006. That's all for this question. I hope it's all clear. Thank you everyone, and happy learning.